guys, welcome back to Cooking with Your Sisters. So today we're gonna make a waste-free pancakes without pancake mix. We're going to be using some oatmeal and bananas and some vanilla and eggs. What you're going to need is you're going to take, so basically if you have bananas and they're ripe and they're getting too ripe and no one wants to eat them, you could just make this. And what you're gonna do is you're just going to mash them up until it becomes into a like consistency that's like thick. I will get back to you guys. When it is fully into the consistency we want. Guys, this is the consistency it should be. It's like a little bit of lumps, but that's fine. And so what we're gonna do now is we're going to add a quarter of a teaspoon of this.
Teaspoon. Yeah, that's it.
This much, because you don't want it to be too much of it. And then we're going to add the egg in. And now we're going to beat it. And now we're going to just add 1 cup of the oatmeal. So 1 cup into here. And now we're going to mix it.
Look like you need more.
Yeah.
Add more half cup.
So we're going to add.
Because you use about 3 banana, half cup. It's okay, use that one.
Pancake.
Banana pancake?
Yeah.
These can make small pancakes.
This is a healthy way.
We're gonna add like just around 2 spoons. This is 1 spoon and this is the second spoon.
So you just need to add 2 spoons of milk. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the guys. Now we're just going to be taking a scoop and putting it on. It's like really thick.
They don't have to be like that.
They don't have to be like a circle. They can be whatever way they want to be. Sorry about the noise in the background. So this already is sweet because bananas taste sweet and the vanilla is sweet. So if you want to add syrup, it's your choice, but that will just make it like really sweet. But it's your choice if you want to or not. So we'll get back to you guys when they're all done. So guys, this is the end result of the pancake with oatmeal and bananas. It looks really good, to be honest. Like, let's have just like a close-up. That looks really nice. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe. and turn on post notifications if you like this video. And have a great day.